Okay, what's your name? Chandan. Dr. Chandan, why are you smiling? Okay. So, Dr. Chandan, what is extremely low birth weight? Less than 1 kg. Very good. Madam, name some drugs given intratracheal. Nasal. N से क्या आता है? Naloxone. A for adrenaline. S for surfactant. A for atropine and L for lignocaine. Very good. If a baby's heart rate is less than 100, what will you do? Bag and mask ventilation. Very good. What is the absolute contraindication of bag and mask ventilation? Congenital diaphragmatic hernia. What is the root value of phrenic nerve? C3, C4, C5. Where do you see policeman's tip? Erb's palsy. Where do you see claw hand? Klumpke's palsy. Very good. Klumpke's palsy. Which is the last permanent teeth to appear in a baby? M3. When does it come after? 18 years. Which is the last temporary teeth to appear in a baby? M2. Second molar. कब आता है? After 18 months. Which is the first carpal bone to appear in a baby? Capitate comes by 2 months and hamate comes by 3 months. 3 months. Very good. Okay. Delayed dentition is defined as no teeth by how many months? 13 months. No teeth by 13 months. Okay. What is mild hypothermia? Yes. No. Mild hypothermia 36 to 36.5 and moderate hypothermia 32 to 36. Severe hypothermia less than 32 degrees Celsius. What is the ideal temperature of labor room? 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. If I say female with a webbed neck, कौन सा syndrome सोचना चाहिए? Turner syndrome. If I say male with a webbed neck, Noonan syndrome. Tell me one syndrome where the IQ is normal. Turner syndrome. Very good. Which neural tube defect has the worst prognosis? Cranio-rachis. Which one has the best prognosis? Spina bifida occulta. What is the inheritance of neural tube defect? Very good. Multifactorial inheritance. Very good. Sitting with support कब आता है? 6 months. Sitting without support? 8 months. Bye. 9 months. And hide and seek? 10 months. 10 months. Very good. World Rabies Day कब आता है? 28 September. In the category 1 of the dog bite, what is the best management? Reassurance. Very good. Category 2, what do you want to give? TT and ARV. What is ARV? Anti-rabies vaccine. What is the root of ARV? Intradermal. Very good. What's the root of anti-rabies serum? Intramuscular. Very good. Name some other vaccine given intradermal. MMR. You sure? Intradermal. BCG, IPP and anti-rabies vaccine. And MMR कैसे देते हैं? MMR subcutaneous. Chickenpox and MMR are given subcutaneous. Okay, Danish 1331 is used for BCG. Very good, that's right. Okay, last 3 questions. Okay, febrile seizure. What is the most common age group of febrile seizure? 6 months to 5 years. Which is the drug of choice of neonatal seizure? Very good. Phenobarbital is a drug of choice of neonatal seizure. Drug of choice of febrile seizure? No. Drug of choice of febrile seizure? Rectal diazepam or intranasal midazolam? You said sodium valproate. 2 बीमारियां बताओ जहाँ sodium valproate हमने पढ़ा है करके. Juvenile myoclonic epilepsy number 1 and absence seizures. Absence seizures, the drug of choice was sodium valproate. Okay, what is the average Indian baby weight? 3 kg. Very good. Okay, what's the normal head circumference of a baby? 35 centimeter. How much is potassium in ORS? 20. And potassium in Risomol? 40. And sodium in ORS? 75. And sodium in Risomol? 45. Sodium is half, around 45. Okay. Last question. What is the name of the surgery for TGA? Jetney repair, also known as arterial switch. For GERD, what is the name of surgery? Nisen's fundoplication. Okay. Name some duct independent congenital heart disease. Duct independent. Truncus arteriosus, very good, and TAPVC. Truncus arteriosus and TAPVC are duct independent, and duct dependent is TGA. Very good. And what is the X-ray finding of TGA? Very good. Egg on string appearance. Right.